If you've been thinking about upgrading to an automatic self-cleaning litter box, this one has some really cool safety features, app controls, and a beautiful compact design that isn't going to take up a bunch of space in your house. Invengo did send this out to me so I could show you everything from the unboxing to the setup in the app, the cleaning cycle, and of course we have to get the cat's opinion on this. Let's start with everything that comes in the box. We get the main litter box, 4 legs, 2 bearing covers, a filter screen, a waste drawer, litter bags, inner mat, and a user manual. So the installation is super easy. You're just gonna flip over the base and insert those legs into the 4 corners. Next are the bearing covers. You're just gonna put these on either side and then put them to the off mode. That's going to lock them into place, so make sure you do that before moving on. So now we're gonna install the filter screen. That's just going to snap into place right at that opening on the top of the bin. Next, we're gonna place a litter bag into the waste collection drawer. And it has these little slots on either side so you can kind of tuck the bag in there so it stays in place. And then we're just gonna slide that drawer right into place underneath the belly of the machine. Finally, we're gonna install the inner mat inside the drum. One of the things I love about this is it comes with an app, and there is a QR code for that as well on the machine, so you'll just scan that and download the app. Connection was super straightforward. We just had to hold down the Wi-Fi button on the actual machine until it beeps and it starts blinking that white light. And then you're just gonna go into the app and hit connect device. You'll find your device and then add the Wi-Fi, put in the password, and then within just a few minutes, the litter box is paired up with my phone. This app makes it so easy to control this litter box from anywhere in your house. There is a child safety lock, and you'll know that's on if the L is illuminated on the screen on the actual machine. And here's an up-close look at the operating instructions, what that's going to mean on the screen when it pops up. But of course, if you don't want to use the app, everything you need to make this work is on the actual machine. So we do have the cleaning mode, and then also the emptying mode. You do have to hold that button for a few seconds. One thing I really appreciate about this is the safety focus design. The rotating drum uses a 30-degree safety angle during the cleaning cycle to help provide a safer operating design. It also includes 3 infrared anti-pinching sensors that are designed to help detect your cat and provide additional protection during the actual operation. They also have Hall sensors built into the system, adding another layer of safety while the litter box is operating. Let's actually test this out. I'm going to be using the app to just show you how this all works. So from the app, I can manually start a cleaning cycle anytime. It also tracks your weekly usage data so you can actually monitor your cat's litter box activity, which is really cool. Also, if you go into the settings, you can even adjust the litter clumping time depending on the type of litter you're using. All right, now that we've fully tested it, let's go get the cat's opinion. There was not much hesitation at all. She was super curious about this thing and she honestly just jumped in just a few seconds. I didn't even have to encourage her to get in or anything. She just was super comfortable using it. When it's time to deep clean, the drum unit removes really easily. We just take off those bearings and then pull it out, and it can easily be rinsed with water. Although the base unit should never be washed with water, instead simply wipe it out with just a clean cloth. I also like that it has a modern compact design that blends into every room I've put it in without taking up a huge amount of space. Overall, I'm really impressed with how easy it was to set up, the safety features that are built into it, and the convenience of controlling everything through the app. So if you've been considering upgrading to an automatic litter box, this one's definitely worth checking out. Anyway, hopefully this video helped you, and I really appreciate you watching.